What is up, YouTube? It is your boy, AA9 Scales, and I'm here with lots of bunnies. It's Easter pack, so I brought a bunny with me. Hey, it's a real funny joke. If you are in a short bus and you wear a helmet. We are now about to open up 2 bundles, man. These bundles look sick, man. 14 packs in each of them, and then we get the topper. So I'm pretty excited about it. Yo, new Easter players are out, new Easter elites are out, new collectibles are out, and she usually gets me nothing in packs, so that's why I invited her on. You wanna say hi? Her link's in the description down below. She has a YouTube channel. She's also a live streamer on Twitch TV. You know, twitch.tv/lots-of-bunnies.
I have this weird feeling like you're like mocking me. Are you mocking me?
Open it up. Sorry for this bar being in the way, but this mic has to be here, so you gotta like speak so they can hear you.
Okay.
But don't like, not megaphone, you know?
So don't be like how I usually am. Okay, gotcha.
Well, no, you have to speak a little bit. You got an Easter egg.
We got an Easter egg.
All right, keep going.
It's because we're bunny.
I'm not a bunny.
We're...
I eat bunnies. That's why I'm fat. Oh!
Look at we got another yellow egg.
I'm gonna be honest with you.
2 eggs.
That's boo-boo. Pack number 2, pack 1 was doo-doo. Let me show you how to open packs. You go one this way. Oh, you see 88 rated player. Mad bro, mad bruh, mad bruh. Don't talk, let me go back this way. Let me pull another one for you. Wait, don't get your panties in a bunch. Whoa, I got a Cowboys player, that's okay. No big deal. A red one, a red Easter egg. What did you get, boo-boo? Keep it moving. Uno, dos, tres. And I'm teaching you how to speak Spanish. Whoa, chill. Don't try to steal it from me, boys. Let's admire my pack opening. Tomlin looking at you like, he trying to show you're getting boo-boo packs, yo. All right, boys, pack number 4, back in your boy's hand. 1. Just chill. It's okay. Yo,
no, it's because you have the luck of the Easter bunny with you. That's why.
2.
It's fine.
Watch me do what I do best.
Now watch me whip.
Hey.
Watch me nene.
Bring it back, though.
Now watch me whip.
One more time.
Watch me nene.
Okay. My pack was doo-doo, yo. My pack was actually some boo-boo. You're saying they're Easter packs of boo-boo?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just, no.
Watch. Let's see if they're boo-boo when I pull my elite player. Watch. Elite player. Bang! Woo! Mad. Hold on, wait. Hey, that card actually looks okay. I guarantee you he's selling for a lot of money. So this is who we pulled, TJ, and he goes for 125K. I honestly think I want to get rid of him ASAP. Like, I don't know. I feel like his price is going to drop more. Every time I hold the player for too long, I end up losing out big time. Nah, yeah, you're right. Let's not go to the top. Right. It's back in the bunny's hand, which means... Hey, to be fair, I pushed the button.
No.
Hold on.
You said no.
He's boo-boo. He's probably selling for like 10K, but it's still an all rookie. 2 all rookies. That's not bad. Yo, hit me something. I feel like
hit me with your best shot.
You hit a red egg.
I got a red egg.
Oh.
I said hit me with your best. It's a magenta. It's pretty.
Yo, you hit 2 elite eggs back to back.
Hit me. Oh.
We need a lot of these eggs. Open this. Ow! You're stepping on my foot with shoes on.
I'm sorry. Are you okay?
I'm good.
I'm sorry.
You pulled them again. You keep pulling caca, yo. Give me the ball. Give me the controller. If you're gonna pull an all rookie, can you pull one that sells?
I'm sorry.
X. Yo, what if you pulled the X?
What's that?
That's Brian, you know, he throws up the X's.
Oh.
Nah, you're cool.
Oh.
That's okay. You're not supposed to know about Cowboy players. Nobody knows about them.
Oh, he's an Easter edition 8.
That's new.
You love me? Could you just tell me you love me?
That's new.
Tell me.
That's new. That sells.
I know.
That sells.
I know.
He sells for 20K, bruh. Bruh, he sells for 20. Let me see the stats. Whoa, that sells for 20K. That's a pretty nice car. I might use him. 90 speed. Oh, this is the topper. Bang.
Oh, I got another Easter.
He's gonna sell because I think he's fast.
He's what?
I think he's fast.
He's fast.
I think that's a big.
Gimme. I got bitter lemon.
Yo, he's gonna sell. Guaranteed he goes for like 200K. What does he sell for?
He's pretty good. Oh,
he doesn't even sell. Yo, he's some boo-boo. Bundle number 2. It's only right that we going with a big boy. Now, I think I purchased way too many points. All right, boys, we have completely ripped through these things. Okay, we're almost done with the second bundle, and it's been all poo. but I truly believe it's about to get better. I feel like you're gonna bring me the luck right here. I feel like this is the one.
It's good.
The pressure's real, and you pulled nothing but a nice Easter egg.
got some eight.
Last 2 packs. We got an Easter pack and a topper. I'm opening up both of them. She got the last topper, so she pulled like a 40K rated player in her topper. I got that dude again. I got him again. No, he's worth nothing. I think he's worth like 18K or something. Maybe he's worth for a little bit. I don't know, man. Anyways, boys, we're about to jump into the topper, so let's do this. Topper! Bang! Oh, wait, the player's right there.
It's a pumpkin.
Shh. You're the player's right. That's gonna be a player.
Is it?
It's gonna be a player. Are you ready? Are y'all ready? Let's get it. Bang! Oh, God. Oh, God. He's boo-boo. That's boo-boo. Bro, that's boo. What does he sell for? Look, we got all the players that were boo-boo. Amberson goes for 400K. We got this doo-doo player, yo. How did they give us all the boo-boo players? YouTube, this pack opening was super depressing. I mean, we probably made at least like 400 or 500K, but that was a lot of money for just 400 or 500K. I expected better, man.
Do you think we made that much?
We 100% made that much because you pulled at least 100 and something K. I pulled at least 100 or 200K. Her link's in the description down below. Check her out. My link is, just hit the subscribe button. Drop a big boy like if you want to see more packs. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, man. We'll see you next time. You want to go eat?
Oh, wait, can we go to IHOP?
We're out, boys. Bye!